G'day everybody, hope you're all well. Hey listen, I wanted to get something out to everybody, as far and wide as I can possibly get it. I don't want you to get caught out here. Yesterday, what did we see in the market? Well, the day before, we saw a big green candle and everyone went, yay! And that's great, excellent. We found the bottom? Who knows? I don't know. I don't pick bottoms, I don't pick tops. What I do is I read charts, I trade trends, and I trade the strategies that I have been using for a long time. Now, from what I'm seeing is that we're seeing a nice clean pullback into the cradle zone. It's as pure and simple as that. So I'm telling you this because two things. If you know what the cradle strategy is, then open your eyes because there's plenty out there, right? Plenty out there. And they're on the higher time frames, the 16 hour, the daily, that sort of thing. But the thing is that, you know, don't let the euphoria or the belief or the thought or the promise or the hope or the desire or the temptation for another big move to the upside to get in the way of reality. We are in a downtrend. Let me show you on the weekly as well. Check this out. For me, this is the only level of any significance, 3,000, old highs, and then it retested that level on a round number, right? It says 331, but you know what I mean? So banging right in there. There's nothing to hold where we are right now. It could very easily fall further, and you need to be prepared for that. How do you prepare for that? Well, you've got to be short or you just walk away. If you don't know how to trade, that's fine. You don't have to trade. But just, you know, sit back, relax, and let the ride begin because we might go low, we might go higher. We know that. And what I am seeing is a signal of a cradle candle right here. If this candle closes like this and we're to break those lows, and there's a high probability that we will continue to move lower. Now, it might set a higher low and then a higher high. Hooray! And then we might move higher. But for the time being, I can only trade what I see, not what I think. And I want to show you across the top 10 because there's one on Bitcoin. There's one on Ethereum, and let me throw this down the 16 because I said that's a good time frame as well. It's already broken the low on the 16 on Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash is already holding low. I don't really care about Bitcoin Cash for the time being, too much going on. If you look at EOS, it's already moved down nearly 10, or it was at one stage 10% or so down. It's already had a big fall. Cardano, another one. Look at this for a doozy. Beautiful bearish candle in that cradle zone. Look at the 16 hour. Just like Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin, Cardano. Very, very similar indeed. Stellar Lumen holding down there, bearish candle as well. Neo, an absolute beautiful little cradle, very small candle in that cradle zone. I do like it. I do like. Is there any support there? No. Nothing there. So again, and IOTA, what I do also like here, it's still a little bit more bullish right now. I want to see that candle be bearish, and this level running through here. Let's have a look. Back we go. Old resistance, old support is a significant older level, and that's why it's drawn in there, and we're just recently testing that at the moment. Ripple is also sitting there, not quite as tasty as the rest, I must admit. It's already pulled back, it's already moved, and Litecoin sitting in there with a beautiful little bearish candle as well. So across the top 10 we do see we do see plenty there that is, how do I say it? We do see plenty there that is really looking more bearish than bullish. Now, don't get me wrong. I would love to see this bounce and move higher. But if we do sit and break down through these lows, the probability is that momentum may continue to the downside. I'm telling you this for two reasons. One, if you know how to trade, then potentially you're looking for shorts. Two, if you're looking to buy, maybe reconsider and just wait and see how this plays out. I want you guys to be safe out there. I don't want the hype or enthusiasm to get in the way of reality. This market looks bearish to me still, and until that changes with trend, I'll be bearish. Have a fantastic day, guys, and speak to you soon. Bye.